Our top story this hour, Europe's digital COVID-19 certificate is finally live, a green pass to facilitate free travel in the bloc. Now, the pass heralds a new era of travel in the European Union and passengers have already started using it at the airports. Passengers at Rome's airport were seen whipping out their phones to flash this digital certificate before boarding their flights. This is designed to be free of charge. It is issued and valid in all EU countries and will be set out in the national language and in English. It also extends to non-EU countries of the border-free Schengen zone. This includes Iceland, Norway and Switzerland. For the next 12 months, all EU countries must recognize this certificate. This is lauded as an example for European solidarity. It was designed to meet EU standards on privacy and security so that all European citizens can use it without fear. In Paris, airline checks of vaccine passes proceeded smoothly and passengers too seem to approve of this pass. Now, the certificate contains a QR code, one that indicates that its holder has been vaccinated or has tested negative for coronavirus or has immunity after being infected. The EU agreement will prevent member states imposing additional travel restrictions such as tests or quarantine unless they are necessary to protect public health.
L'Italia è pronta. Quindi i cittadini italiani che si sono vaccinati in Italia, che si sono testati in Italia o che sono guariti in Italia possono provare che sono in uno di questi stati con un nuovo sistema digitale.
But the launch of the pass wasn't without its glitches, of course. Lack of the United European restrictions meant that the code wasn't really helpful. Manual checks are the name of the game. At the moment in Brussels, and airlines believe that the pass will need some more time to get used to.
The digital COVID certificate was meant to simplify operations. Unfortunately, we're not quite there yet. As a consequence of the lack of united European restrictions, so the same restrictions for all Schengen citizens, we are not really helped by the certificate. The thing is, if we scan the certificate, we would see that it's a valid QR code, but as long as we don't have the content of that QR code linked to the destination the passenger is traveling to, it doesn't really help us. So we cannot really scan the code at this moment, and we still need to perform all the checks visually to see if the passenger meets the requirement of his destination.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.